StarNavi, technical partner for innovators and creators. In this video, we'll discuss the things you need to estimate the development of a web application and the importance of the discovery phase. Let's say you want to develop an app similar to Coursera or Udemy, and you are in the process of picking an agency or freelancers who can deliver the project. Typically, all clients make a decision based on time of development, cost, and quality. Clients can check the reviews on Clutch, Portfolio, or case studies to understand if quality meets their expectations. But to understand the price, they reach out to the vendors they like and ask to estimate time and cost. Estimation is a tricky process because the scope of work provided by clients has a different level of detail and a different format. One client may have just an idea in mind, and another may have a detailed software requirements specification, or user stories, or wireframes, etc. Let's try to break down what an agile team needs to make an accurate estimate. The project description allows the team to understand the overall idea of the project and the goals of the business. It should answer such questions as, what is the purpose of the application? Who are the users of the application? Why is it important for them? It's important to describe all types of users who will operate the application. It's also good to understand the portrait of the user. For example, one user may need more complex functionality, and others need simple features. User stories should describe how the user should interact with the platform features and values he or she should get from using them. Some of the features may have complex logic. For example, machine learning or artificial intelligence algorithms or algos with complex formulas or logic. In such a case, it would be good to describe these features even more in detail in addition to user stories. There is a huge difference between the application that you build to gather market feedback and an application that supports your existing client base with millions of users. The same applies in the early stage of its business lifecycle. May require a simple server or hosting, and it may require expensive cloud infrastructure worth hundreds of thousands of dollars on later business stages. Visualization of the idea is the best way to avoid any kind of miscommunication between the client and the vendor when it comes to product development. Investing in wireframes or sketches will help you get a more accurate budget estimate. Clients don't pay attention to tech stack, especially when it comes to the development of an MVP or prototype, but the tech stack will also affect your budget and future maintenance of the application. Developers with rare tech stack may be scarce and charge a fortune for their work. You may even find yourself in a position where developers will decline the offers to work with you because of the bad tech stack. All of the things are important for any vendor to estimate the project accurately. But at this point in the video, some of you may ask yourself, how am I supposed to know all of these things? I am not a developer or a project manager, but I still need an application to solve my business challenges. Don't worry, StarNavi has a solution for you and can provide you with an accurate estimate, even if you have a draft of the idea. Isn't that a good reason to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel? We will conduct the discovery phase and will help you turn your idea into a business model, describe the project, prepare user stories, draft sketches and design wireframes, define major functional and non-functional requirements. During the discovery phase, we will turn your ideas into a solid document through a series of brainstorm sessions with our designers, project managers, architects, and business analysts. With the help of such documentation, our team will prepare an estimate which has 90% accuracy and will allow you to plan your budget accordingly. Moreover, you can use this documentation to get an accurate estimate from other vendors because it meets industry standards. So if you have an idea and don't know where to start, drop us a message. Our team will guide you through the product development lifecycle.